Hello and welcome back to the Collector's Den. Today I've got two packages from Lego.com that were ordered on the Star Wars May the 4th promo weekend. So what I'll do is I'll move one out of the way and we'll get into the first one and see what's in it. Okay, let's open up the first box. Get these tabs pulled off. We'll open it up and see what we've got. So there are a couple of gift with promos this weekend. First of all, got the Millennium Falcon poly bag, or paper bag these days. Camino training facility. And the sets that I bought were this one, set 75375, the MIDI scale Millennium Falcon, set 75396, that's the Desert Skiff and Sarlacc pit. And then we just got a Clone Commander Cody Brickheads figure. That was just to push us over the threshold really, to get us the free gifts with purchase. So we've got the sets from the first box in the background there, and I'll get the tabs pulled off the second box. Right, that's them pulled off. Let's get into it. So again, we've got the promo sets. So another little mini Millennium Falcon. And another Camino training facility. And in this one, I also got one of these Boarding the Tantive 4 sets. Set 75387. And one bigger set, which is the AT-TE Walker. I'm sure I can quite get it in the screen. That's 75337. And again, we got one Brickhead set, which was Clone Commander Cody again. So I'll get the box out of the way and give you a rundown of everything I got. So here we have the whole collection, everything that I bought over the Star Wars May the 4th promo weekend at Lego. Give you a bit of a close-up of all the sets now.